Welcome back, students. In this tutorial I am back with making a game for the students who are using mobile. Actually earlier I have also made the same kind of tutorial, but that was working in computers only. So now with little changes in the coding, now this program can work on mobiles also, and of course in online Scratch editor. Firstly I'll show you the work. So suppose I click on like this. See, so it has touched and the game is over, and you could see the score here on the top. Score is 2 because 2 times it has jumped. Again, so it's working fine, and I am using my mobile just to show you that it is working fine on my mobile also. So this tutorial will be a little faster because earlier I have done all the explanations. So I'll show you the commands, what I have done the changes. Okay, so step by step I'll be telling you what are the commands. Rest of the commands are same. That means earlier what the tutorial I have given you, it is same. Only difference is that now in case of if, I have used mouse down. What? Mouse down. And little changes are there. So how to show that changes? Firstly, you could see the coding. Get set score to 0. Okay. Go to X. Now this is little change earlier what I have shared with you. Because why the change is? Because now I am working upon mobile. So this is the change. And now this is different. Sometimes some students are doing their coding error here in this position. So whenever you are doing, always do one thing, like this is forever. I am making it separate. Okay. So like when click set score to 0. Okay, go X to -23 and -26, that you all know. For further explanation, you can go to my previous tutorial. Then I have used forever code. And then now if command. Now in if command, sometime yesterday some students were telling me that they are finding some problem in the comments, that their griffin or whatever sprite they have taken, it's not flying. So what the changes you have to do? So my suggestion is that wherever you are using repeat command, put them out. Step by step I am telling you. So suppose this is first if. If mouse down, then start sound magic spell. This I have already explained, so I will not explain again. Then repeat. Now this is separate, this repeat is separate, and this repeat is separate, and they both should enter in if command. What the students are doing actually, sometimes they are using this repeat and they are putting this repeat in here in this repeat. So in this case it is not working. Your coding is wrong. So I'll put it out. Firstly I'll place it in if command. Okay. So after placing it in this command, like now if, and then after this if and after wait command, I have to put this repeat like here. Now after this wait command, and now I'll put in forever, and now I'll join it. So please do like this. I think it will be clear. Now I'll show you. I'll again requesting you to go to my previous tutorial because further explanation is there. Detail by detail I have explained the whole tutorial. This is kind of a time lapse, so I am doing it a little faster. So only change, major change is mouse down. Okay, there I was using up arrow key. And secondly, the other change I have done here, wait 0.4 seconds. It depends upon the speed of mobile and computer. So there the change was, I think 0.5 or something, or 1. wait 1 second, this is 0.4 seconds. So this is the change. Rest you can do little changes according to your need. So again I'll run the program. And one thing more better, firstly I'll just run this. Okay. So see, my sprite is working fine and the score is also moving up. So now the game is over. One thing more, one problem you can find when I am clicking on this ball sprite. See, always check that when you are setting direction should be always 90. This direction should always be 90. Suppose I am running, so it has stopped. This should be always 90. If this is changed, your ball will not move in same direction. It may move upside or in a vertical position. So that you have to keep in mind. So I am stopping my tutorial. For further details, you can check my previous tutorial. The link I'll share at the bottom. Okay. So till then, bye.